What's up to my people, right? So I wanted to do a quick video, right? I'm in the lounge here at my apartment. I'm in a lounge space, so it's a beautiful lounge. Okay, I'm gonna get to show it to you guys shortly here. It's a Sunday. It's pretty nice out, so um, I came to grill some steak real quick. You know what I mean, for that Sunday night. And I figured I'd do this video. I'm moving out of here soon, so there's a slight complaint I have about the lounge. It's a beautiful lounge, but I'll let you guys know, especially as electrical designers, right? Of kind of to avoid what they did in this lounge. Okay, so I'll get to show you guys in a bit. I'll show you around. I'll show you around first, real quick in the lounge, and then I'll kind of talk about the issue that they could have made it a whole better experience for this lounge. The electrical designer, particularly. Okay, so how do I flip this? Okay, so this is the lounge. Okay, the entrance is right there, and the switch. There's an occupancy switch here. Okay. This switch here is for the pool table. Okay. I'm not gonna flip that on, but that switch right there is for the pool table. Okay. As you can see, it's a beautiful lounge, well put together, I would say. They have a electrical fireplace here. It's pretty neat. Maybe I might turn that on and add it to the video shortly, but overall, this is the lounge. That's the back where the grill is. Very nice put together place, right? They have a fridge. You can have a little get together in here. Sometimes I do my podcast in here. You guys can probably take a notice of the background. This is where this is where I normally do my podcast and stuff like that. So in the lounge, they actually have a microwave and a dishwasher, but they do not have a garbage disposal in the lounge. Okay, so that's quite common, that you probably won't get a garbage disposal in the lounge. There's another bathroom here. Okay, but this is the background that I normally do my podcast on. You got the 6th Street going down there, right here by Symphony Hall. All the Allentown kids tend to come back here and like do pictures and stuff like that for their music videos and stuff like that. Sometimes I be wanting to let them up here, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, just come up, you know what I mean? Use the lounge and yeah, man, and get yourself out there. Sometimes I be wanting to call them up, but sometimes they look at me like I'm crazy when I'm looking at them. So the only issue, let's get to the issue, right? The only issue I have about this lounge is, you can notice they have 3 receptacles, countertop receptacles here. TV mounted height receptacles and data for the TV, right? They got all that perfect. The only issue is, if you notice, there's a switch receptacle. Not a switch receptacle. There's an occupancy sensor switch that control the downlights in here, okay? Now the issue is, right, if I'm standing all the way over here, right, and I'm not in front of that switch for like a good amount of time, I think there's a delay on it. There's probably like maybe 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. We know the lights go off in this space, okay? The lights go off in this space, and that's not an occupancy switch on the ceiling. I think that's some data for the Wi-Fi. But so they should have put an occupancy switch on the ceiling here. These are smoke detectors, right? Vent and all that. And there's a strobe. There's a horn strobe right there. Okay, like pretty standard. There's a camera too, all the way in the back. But they should have put a ceiling mounted occupancy sensor in here to give you a better experience. So when you're sitting, like usually if you watch my podcast, I suggest you just go and watch some of my podcasts. It's pretty funny. You'll notice that the light just go off, and that's the only thing, that's my big complaint about this lounge. So electrical designers, when you're designing this, make sure, especially when you have the switch on the corner there, right? It's not in front of the room where people can be in this back area, right? They're not going to be in front of the switch at some time. Have a ceiling mounted occupancy sensor. All right, guys, that's what I got for you today. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.